pendapat. Maybe you can share opinion after attending the session since morning until now. Dan mungkin ada yang masuk petang ni, tak apa. Just share a little bit of your opinion, experience. Throughout this program, any realization, any learning, any opinion, any ideas, silakan. Just unmute and boleh cerita sikit.
Okay, I start first. One of the biggest realization, sebab sebelum ni when I've run TTT and then tengok how TTT was done before kan. So I only see yang cara kalau kita nak come up with how to help and support the organizations that we want to train to is just through TNA report sahaja. Means we focus only on the competency framework ataupun competency level, the 5 tu. But after today, there's actually a lot more, especially kalau kita tengok balik yang the one that you gave dalam slides tu, dekat hujung sekali tu, yang ada infographic tu kan, yang 3 benda and everything. So other than just focusing on TNA report, kalau ikut keperluan masing-masing ada cara lain. Kalau yang kadang-kadang we do not know, they are not clear of what. Only today tadi, the issue kadang-kadang start with the vision and the core values of the organisation. Sometimes dia orang ada tapi dia orang tak reti bagaimana, macam mana nak buat job description, macam mana nak buat pejawatan dia orang. So the issue comes from there, means it's a mixture of training and non-training issue. So from this session tadi, I realized that number one, there's more than one issue to actually look at. Number two, when there's multiple issue, there's also multiple ways to solve or multiple ways to look at, so that we can come up with the best solution, or we can suggest the best solution for them. And number three is, kalau kita boleh pastikan the clients ataupun potential clients to understand this, at the end of the day, tugas kita sebagai, kalau kita training provider or trainer, jadi lebih senang. Sebab apa? Kita just pergi, dia dah cakap, okay, you know what, we have done our TNA report, we have done our job description punya studies and everything, we find out that kita nak training ni. So it becomes easier for the trainer and the training provider daripada nak come up. It's good that we know how to do, but again, senang sikit lah kerja. Sebab at the end of the day, most of the time when we do training, the claim is just for the training. Itu kalau kita tengok daripada satu sudut lah. But again, it's apa orang cakap, illuminating jugalah, dapat tahu there's a lot of ways and there's a lot of things yang kita boleh tengok. And benda ni is also, I had a conversation waktu lunch tadi dengan Widya pun pasal, if only the organisation dalam Malaysia nampak semua benda ni, takkan ada bias dalam dia orang punya appraisal, takkan dia orang tak tahu nak letak staff dia dekat mana. So kita pun tak sakit hati tengok, macam ni keadaan company lebih kurang lah. So this is the realization that we had lah during lunch hour tadi.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Very good realization. Anybody else who would like to share?